Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here, welcoming you to GJAMES channel. We are looking at the roles of stock exchange. Stock exchange in every nation plays a key important role in capital management and as a capital market institution. It's a key player and actor when it comes to financial environment, and we need to really talk about the roles of stock exchange. Having said that, what are the roles of stock exchange? Stock exchange primarily is a platform for buying and selling existing security. It's a platform to buy and sell existing security, and also security that are yet to be listed but will be listed, whether on the primary or secondary platform of trade. Stock exchange before now usually is about physical trading and paperwork, but now majority of the stock exchange all over the world is now digitalized. You can comment, let us know in your home jurisdiction and country you are hearing me from. Is it digital or you are still going by paper mandates to buy, mandates to sell? So stock exchange is a platform to trade, buy or sell on the primary stock exchange or secondary stock exchange market. Having said that, another thing that stock exchange does is to provide liquidity for investors. To provide liquidity for investors. And how does it achieve that? When an investor buys or sell, cash is exchanged, and once the cash is exchanged, it's going to somebody's pocket as it's leaving somebody's pocket too. So thereby providing liquidity for the nation, for the individual, and as a whole generally. So it's a liquidity provider. Another thing that stock exchange does is to regulate activity of the stockbrokers. And basically, individually, you can't just go into on the stock exchange and buy or sell. You have to use the media of stockbrokers to help you to break, or yes, is to break the stock you want to buy. It's just like any brokerage industry. So these are licensed people and licensed organizations that are permitted to directly trade on the floor of stock exchange. So they provide and regulate the activity of the key player, stock brokers. And it's important for me to let us know that these key players too, they are not, or majority of them are not employees of the stock exchange as an institution. Few of them we do, but majority of them are not. They are independent organization, they are independent licensed traders that are recognized. Only the recognized individual and corporate bodies can trade, whether to buy or sell on the stock exchange of any organization or every country rather. So because of that, stock exchange needs to regulate their activity. Also, stock exchange encourages the transaction in the new market, and this is key. The new market, especially the primary market, must be encouraged. Oftentimes, when new organizations are being introduced on the floor, there is anticipation. Will people really buy into our stock? Are we going to be able to get the money that we came here to get? and how is it going to end. So stock exchange can stand in the gap and encourage in so many ways to ensure the transaction flies and the new issue markets actually thrive, and encourage the issuing houses and even the organization that just enlist their stock. Also, stock exchange helps to spread promoters risk. Who are promoters? Promoters are funders. Promoters are initiator of organizations that have visions, the visionary leaders and the like. So promoters can equally be those that want to buy share of an organization to help it to survive. Those are kind of people that will fall under the promoter, name promoter here now as we are discussing investments. So stock exchange now helps this kind of people to spread their risk by making available so many organizations stock, so many bonds that they can buy from and the like, so that they will not put their eggs in one basket. At the end of the day, everybody is happy. The risk on their fund, on their investment is actually spread abroad, not on an organization, because if anything happens to such an organization, inevitably it's going to affect their investment. So stock exchange providing a lot of businesses being listed and their stock being listed allows and help the promoters to spread their net. This is GJAMES Associate Channel. We'll be looking next at the different methods of listing security on stock exchange. We'll talk about many of options, many of conversions, introduction, tender, capitalization issues, rights issues, which is commonest, placing, offer for sales, offer for subscription, and many others. And having said that, we would like you to subscribe to GJAMES Associate channel so that you will receive timely notification by clicking all notification button. Comments, we would like to know, is your country still running analog paperwork on the stock exchange, or it has been digitalized? We would like to know. We recognize those that are coming for the first time on this platform. Don't forget to click that subscription right away so that you can continue to receive from us. From GJAMES Associate channel, next we meet, we talk and discuss about the methods of listing security on the floors of stock exchange. We are value to life. We are value to your businesses.